Homeowners looking for patio door installation. Des Allemands can improve comfort, security, and curb appeal with modern options built for Louisiana weather. From best patio door installation in Des Allemands, LA, to complete Des Allemands, LA patio door replacement and installation, local service covers everything from new builds to replacement projects. A trusted patio door contractor and patio door company serving Des Allemands, LA can recommend energy-efficient patio doors. Des Allemands, custom patio doors Des Allemands, and residential patio door services Des Allemands that fit bayou homes, backyard access points, and storm-prone properties across St. Charles Parish. Sliding patio door replacement Des Allemands is a popular choice for homeowners who want smooth operation and larger views without sacrificing insulation. Affordable sliding glass patio doors, Des Allemands Louisiana, are available in vinyl, aluminum, and double pane styles, making them ideal for both older homes and contemporary renovations. Whether you need modern sliding patio doors near Des Allemands, LA, aluminum sliding patio doors Des Allemands Louisiana, or sliding patio door glass replacement Des Allemands, LA, local patio door installers can match function with design while helping reduce drafts, sticking tracks, and worn rollers. French patio doors. Des Allemands add elegance and classic style to patios, sunrooms, porches, and backyard entrances throughout Des Allemands, LA. Homeowners often choose French patio door replacement near Des Allemands, LA when upgrading dated doors or repairing storm damage. Options include custom patio doors, Des Allemands with decorative glass, double pane patio doors, Des Allemands for better insulation, and impact-resistant patio doors, Des Allemands for stronger protection. With help from a custom patio door company, Des Allemands, St. Charles Parish, homes can get tailored sizing, premium finishes, and a polished look that blends with traditional Louisiana architecture. Patio door replacement. Des Allemands helps restore safety and easy access when doors become difficult to open, noisy, or misaligned. Residential patio door replacement. Des Allemands, LA, commonly includes patio door track replacement, Des Allemands, patio door roller replacement, Des Allemands, and patio door lock replacement, Des Allemands, for sliding and hinged systems. Emergency patio door replacement, Des Allemands, LA, is especially important after break-ins, severe weather, or accidental glass damage. For many local homeowners, quick patio door track and roller replacement, Des Allemands, LA, can solve dragging, uneven movement, and damaged hardware before a full replacement is needed. Choosing a professional patio door company in Des Allemands, LA makes the entire process easier from first inspection through final installation. A dependable patio door consultation Des Allemands can identify whether a property needs patio door replacement Des Allemands, custom patio doors Des Allemands, French patio doors Des Allemands, or full sliding patio door replacement Des Allemands. Homeowners searching for licensed patio door installers. Des Allemands Louisiana and local patio door contractors in Des Allemands, LA, benefit from expert measurements, accurate recommendations, and reliable workmanship. For lasting value, smooth operation, and weather-ready performance, Des Allemands, LA patio door replacement and installation services deliver tailored solutions for every home. Energy-efficient patio doors. Des Allemands are in high demand because they help homes stay cooler during hot Louisiana summers and reduce air leaks year-round. Energy-efficient patio doors in Des Allemands, Louisiana are often available with insulated frames, low-E glass, double-pane patio doors, Des Allemands, and tightly sealed weather stripping. For homeowners planning home patio door upgrades, Des Allemands, LA, these products combine savings with improved indoor comfort. A detailed patio door consultation and estimate Des Allemands, LA, can help compare glass packages, frame materials, and installation options suited for residential properties in Des Allemands and surrounding St. Charles Parish neighborhoods. Vinyl patio doors. Des Allemands offer durability, low maintenance, and strong thermal performance for residential properties near wetlands, rivers, and humid outdoor environments. Vinyl patio door installation. Des Allemands LA is often selected by homeowners who want affordable performance and easy cleaning. Aluminum patio doors. Des Allemands remain another strong choice, especially for sleek profiles and contemporary design, while aluminum sliding patio doors Des Allemands Louisiana work well in homes needing large glass openings and durable frames. Whether choosing vinyl or aluminum, licensed patio door installers Des Allemands Louisiana can guide homeowners toward the right combination of budget, style, and long-term value.